Welcome back to the next class of our direction sense. In the last class I solved some problems based on direction sense. To make it very clear, let me solve some more problems for you today. Now look at the first question for today. A man on a two-wheeler starts from a point and rides 4 kilometers south. Then turns left and rides 2 kilometers and turns again to the right to go more towards which direction is he moving? Now question, look at this, sir. A man on a two-wheeler starts from a point and rides 4 kilometers south, then turns left and rides 2 kilometers and turns again to the right to go more. Towards which direction is he moving? Towards which direction is he moving? This is my question. Let us see the rough picture one more time. Fresh class, fresh picture. East, west, north, south. Now this is my rough picture to have an idea about the direction, which side lies on which one. Now a man on a two-wheeler. So let's go for the main diagram, sir. This is the starting point. And rides 4 kilometers towards the south. 4 kilometers towards the south. Let us take this as 4 kilometers. And then turns to left. Left hand side of south is east. So this is first left turn. And rides 2 kilometers. Let us say this is 2 kilometers. And turns again to the right. Right hand side of east is again south. Right hand side of east is nothing but south. To go more. Towards which direction he is moving? So answer is very simple, sir. Every one of you can give. Answer is south. Look at the solution one more time. A man on a two-wheeler starts from a point. Let us take this is the starting point and rides 4 kilometers south, then turns left. Look at this. Left hand side of south is east. So he is now turned towards east and rides 2 kilometers and turns again to the right hand side. So right hand side of east is nothing but south. So this is his right turn. This is his right turn. So now he is moving, which direction now he is moving? Towards which direction? Answer is south. How simple it is? Note down. Let's see the next question. A man starts. Next question number 2. A man starts. He is running. Facing the sun early morning. Facing the sun early morning. Facing the sun early morning. He then turns right. He then turns right and walks 2 kilometers. He then walks 3 kilometers. He then walks 3 kilometers after turning right again. After turning right again. In which direction he is facing now? In which direction? In which direction he is facing now? In which direction he is facing now? Look at the question, sir. A man starts his running facing the sun early morning. He then turns right and walks 2 kilometers. He then walks 3 kilometers after turning right again. Only 2 turnings he is having. In which direction he is facing now? This is the problem we have. Let us see, sir. This is a rough picture to have an idea which side I have to turn. A man starts his running facing sun early in the morning, means he is running towards east. A man is running towards east early in the morning facing sun. His face is towards the sun, means he is running towards east. He then turns right. First right turn. Right, look at this. Right hand side of east is south. So he is turned towards the south. He turned towards the south and walks 2 kilometers. So let us take this is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers south. He walks then 3 kilometers after turning right. 3 kilometers after turning right. Right hand side of south. Right hand side of south is what? West. Let us take this as 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers after turning right again. In which direction he is facing now? In which direction he is facing now? Look at this, sir. Anybody can tell the answer for this. He is facing towards west. Look at the solution part one more time. A man starts his running or walking facing the sun early in the morning. Let us see. First point is he is walking towards east. He is walking towards east. He turns right. Look at this small diagram which I given for you hint. For hint, this diagram is given. Right hand side of east is south. Right hand side of east is south. Or south is on the right hand side of east. So first right he took and he is moving towards south. He then walks 3 kilometers. He then walks 3 kilometers. Turning right. So this is right turn. This is right turn. Look at this. Now this fellow is walking towards south. After walking 3 kilometers, that is after walking 2 kilometers towards the south, he turned to his right. Right hand side of south is nothing but west. So this is west. Now, which direction he is facing now? Answer is equal to west. Answer is equal to west. How simple it is. Note down the solution. Okay. Now let us see question number 3 for today. Question number 3 for today. Let us see. Question number 3. I started walking down a road in the morning facing sun. After walking for some time, I turned to left and again turned to my right. Again turned to my right. Which direction? In which direction I am walking? Okay, look at the question, sir. Main picture. I started walking down on a road in the morning facing sun. It means I am walking towards east, sir. I am walking towards east. After walking some time, I turned to left. Left hand side of east is towards north. So this is left. left turn, and again turn to my right, again I turn to my right, right hand side of north is, right hand side of north is east, right hand side of north is east. In which direction I am walking? Answer is east. How simple it is, how simple it is. Okay, note down the solution. Next question. See the next question, sir. Sita starts from a point walks 2 kilometers towards north, turns towards her right, and walks 2 kilometers then turns right again and walks. What is the direction she is facing now? What is the direction? What is the direction she is facing now? Okay, sir. Now let us see. Sita starts from a point. Let us see the starting point of Sita here. Starting point. Walks 2 kilometers towards north. This is 2 kilometers. Turns towards her right. Right means right side of north is east, and walks 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. This is her first right turn. This is her first right turn, and walks 2 kilometers. Turns right. Right hand side of east is south. Right hand side of east is south. Again and walks. What is the direction she is facing? Very simple question, sir. This is answer is equal to south. Look at the solution one more time, sir. This is rough picture as usual to avoid any type of confusion while you are drawing the main picture. In the exam, no need to show all these things, just only for your clarification and say you are 100% right, whatever answer you are giving, that is the correct answer. Sita starts from a point, walks 2 kilometers towards north. So let us say this distance is 2 kilometers. Turns towards her right. Right hand side of north is east. So she turned towards east and walks 2 kilometers. So east side, after walking 2 kilometers, she turns to her right again. Right hand side of east is south, right hand side of east is south, and walks. So walking is going on. Distance is not given for walking, so you can even take this down. What is the direction she is facing? After taking a right turn here only, you can say she is facing towards south. So answer is south. Next question, sir. Next question. Next question. Question number 5. Next question. If Ahmad travels towards north, from his house, then to left, then to south, then to south, covering equal distances, in each direction, to reach Sohan's house. In which direction is Ahmad house now? In which direction is Ahmad's house now? This is the question, sir. Ahmad travels towards north from his house. This is the starting point. From his house, then to left. So let us see, this is the distance he traveled. Then after that, he took a left turn. Then to the left, this is left. Then to south, covering equal distances in each direction to reach Sohan's house. Okay, in which direction is Ahmad house now? This is, if I take Ahmad house, this is west. This is the place where Ahmad is standing. So if he looks towards this way, which side is his house, sir? Answer is east. This is Sohan's house. Sohan's house. Now look at this. This is the Ahmad house. He travelled first some distance towards towards north. After that he took a left turn. Left hand side of north is nothing but west side. Then he took another right turn here, left turn to reach south, covering equal distance. If I take this as, for example, it is not given in the question, it is 3 kilometers, it is 3 kilometers, it is 3 kilometers in all the distance. Means now this is the Sohan's house he reached. So both the points are on the same horizontal line. This is Sohan's house, this is Ahmad's house. So Ahmad house is east side of Sohan. Or you can say Sohan's house is west side of Ahmad. Therefore answer is east. Very simple. Note down the questions, solutions, sir. Okay, next question. Look at the next question. If you go north, turns right, then right again, then right again, then go to the left, then go to the left. In which direction? In which direction are you now? This is the question, sir. Before going for the solution, let us go for rough figure. This is our rough figure, which will give you hint which side you have to move. If you go right, if you go north, this is the stopping point for you. Stopping point. If you go north, this way you are moving north. After that you have taken a right turn. So right hand side of north is east. It means now you are moving east side. So first right turn here. And again turn to your right. Look at this, this is east. Right hand side of east is south. Again a right turn. One more right turn. One more right turn. Then go to the left. Go to the left. Left hand side of south is again east, sir. This is left turn. This is left turn. So which direction? Which direction it is? East. You want, you can bring this line down also. This way. Because the distance is not given, how many kilometers distance I travelled is not given in the question. This is only for your convenience. This imaginary figure is only for your convenience. Look at the solution once again. In which way you are going? From the starting point you are moving towards north. Then after that you have taken a right turn. Right hand side of north is east. So this is your first turn. Now after traveling some distance towards towards east, you have taken again a right turn. Right hand side of east is south. So this way east you have taken a turn. Right turn means you are moving towards the south. Towards the south you have moved some distance. After that you turn to the left. Left hand side of south is east. Left hand side of south is east. This is east. Left turn. So answer is equal to east. How simple it is, sir. Note down the solution. Okay, let's go to the next question, sir. Next question. From her house, Prerna wishes to go to school. From home she goes towards north. And then turns left. And then turns left. And then turns right. And finally she turns left. And reaches school. In which direction? Her school is situated. Her school is situated with respect to her home. This is the question B. This is a rough picture, sir, to avoid any confusion regarding my turnings in which I am taking when I am going through the question. From her house, let us take this is the house. Prerna wants to go to her school. From home she goes towards north, and then takes a left turn. First one, left hand side of north is west. So first left is over, and then turns right, and then turns right. Right hand side of west is again north. This is right turn. This is right turn. So left over, right over. And finally she turns left. Finally she turns left. Left hand side of north is west again. Reaches her school. So in which direction? In which direction? In which direction? Her school is with respect to her house. So this is north, this is east, this is west to south, this is equal to northeast, northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So her school is towards northwest direction. Answer is northwest direction. This is the starting point. So one left turn here, one right turn here, one left turn here, reach to her school. Reach to her school. So her school is northwest direction. From her house, her school is northwest direction. Note down the solution. Now sir, look at this. Some 20 odd problems I solved from your study material issued by ICI regarding direction sense problems are concerned. It is having 54 questions. 20 plus odd problems I solved in 3 classes. Remaining problems I am leaving for you for practice. You have to solve the questions because you need perfection. You are giving the exam. I have to teach. So this is the guidance I given. In 20 problems, how to move. This rough figure will tell you which side you have to turn. So do some practice with the presence of mind on these 20 or 21 questions or 22 questions. And the remaining problems you have to do practice. Any type of doubt you have, give us a mail. Or you give your doubts through WhatsApp. Then we will take up your doubts. Okay? Thank you.